to Friday. Tonight, it's relatively mild, pretty seasonable for now. But by the time we get to Saturday afternoon, our high temperatures are only going to be around 29 degrees. So while you're tailgating, that'll actually be the warmest part of the day. By the time we get to 8 o'clock and it's kickoff time, now you're looking at temperatures in the mid-20s. Will be partly to mostly cloudy, and temperatures will fall from there. So during the game, you're likely to be in the lower 20s with wind chills in the teens. It only takes a few miles per hour worth of the wind to really drop those temperatures into the teens for a wind chill. So bundle up. It is going to get very cold. Behind a cold front, we are looking at, it's not altogether clearing, but it's a different type of clouds. It's going to be more of a high, thin cloud, and that cloud cover is still going to keep us mostly cloudy through a lot of the evening and into the overnight hours, but most of the rain has already come to an end. And the mist and drizzle that's out there right now, in some areas, is just enough to keep the roads a little damp, but it's not as wet as it was earlier. Rain is mostly off to the east now, 39 degrees at the airport. Wind out of the northwest at 8 miles per hour, but your feels-like temperature in Columbus is down to 33. Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions, 40 in Athens and Circleville. Marion's at 38. Here are your wind chills. Coshocton at 32. London and Courthouse at 29, but Kenton still feels like 36. Maybe a quick snow shower overnight tonight. Most of this isn't much more than some flurries. The bigger issue is that what's wet is likely to freeze overnight as we drop below the freezing point. So bridges and overpasses, as always, are going to be the big issues. But anything that stays wet may have a little bit of an icy patch for you. So make sure you watch for that overnight and tomorrow morning. Your chance at a snow shower is pretty small, but it is a possibility. Daytime on Thursday, mostly dry. We'll see a little sunshine break through the clouds now and then, but most of the area is going to stay mostly cloudy. Then we get into Friday, and here we go. We start with a little bit of snow before the sun comes up. Some of that continues during the day, but this southerly breeze ahead of the cold front may change just a little of that into some rain first. But in all cases, it's going to be a heavy, wet snow. It's not light, fluffy snow. So what that means is it doesn't accumulate much, but it can create very wet conditions and more slick spots. Tomorrow morning, 29 degrees, then we get into the upper 30s during the afternoon. We get some of that rain, snow mix, and snow on Friday, maybe a half inch or so, pockets of up to an inch out of that. Then we get into the weekend. Saturday, first day of winter,